Please be on mute, Devan.
Sir, in the previous question, I didn't get the last step.
What you didn't understand?
How did we get 150? After that 180, we got that
So
3.
first we found out the factors of 180. So 180 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now we have to
Yes.
multiply this with n to get a cube.
Oh,
Please be on mute, others. Prayan and Pinky.
Sir, I'm asking the doubt.
So see, listen, students. I have said this in the first class also. If you want to talk, raise your hand and then talk, because I don't understand who is talking and who is not talking. Okay? क्योंकि आवाज बहुत जगह से आता है, so I can tell anyone to be on mute. So just use the Zoom option and raise your hand. Then I understand who has doubt. Yeah, what is your doubt, Prayan? नहीं, who is this other student?
sir, actually by mistakenly, I've actually joined from my mother's mobile, so it's my mother's name.
So आपका
So
नाम?
my doubt was
बोलो.
that which question are we doing right now?
Question number 5. And now, Prayan, I come to
Oh,
your doubt. You understood that 180 is equal to this. Now we have to
Yes.
multiply by n, okay, to get a cube number which is equal to x into x into x. So that means each number should be there 3 times. Now to get 2 into 2 into 2, so we'll multiply by one more 2. So n is equal to 2 into. We should have 3 3s, so we should get one more 3. And we need 3 5s. So here we have 1, we need 2 more 5s. Correct?
Yes.
So then what is this number? 150. So then we get 180 into 150 is equal to a cubic number. Understood?
Yes. Okay.
And now if you want to find out the number is 8. 2 into 3 into 5 कितना होता है, students? 30. So this is equal to 30 cube. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Is it
so there's
30?
another easier way to solve this also.
हाँ, बोलो क्या है easier way?
So 2 square into 3 square into 5 to the power 1. तो सर क्यूब करना है ना सर.
तो वही तो किया है
2
ना हमने
into
यहाँ
3.
पर. यहाँ पर वही
हाँ
किया
सर.
है. सबको 3 करना है, तो इसलिए 2 + 1 3 के भी 2 है फैक्टर्स, यहाँ पर एक, और 5 का एक ही फैक्टर है, तो यहाँ पर 2. So you are just writing it in different format. That's it. It's the same thing we did. अभी इसको आपने क्या किया? Multiply by n करना है. So to get, you did 2 raised to 3, 3 raised to 3, and we need 5 raised to 3. So यहाँ से आपने क्या किया? 3 minus 2, 1. So 2 raised to 1. 3 minus 2 again. So 3 raised to 1. And 3 minus 1. So 5 raised to 2. So it is the same thing what I have written over here. Question number 6. We have 7,200 rupees in all. One part is invested at 4% simple interest. Please be on mute, Yatharth. And the other part is invested at 5% simple interest. Okay. So here it is X. Let's say X rupees is invested at 5. So how much is invested at 4%? 7,200 minus X. Correct? If the
Yes, sir.
annual income from both the portion is same, that means SI over here is equal to SI over here. Okay. What is the total amount amount received at the end of the year from two investment? Okay. मतलब simple interest कितना आया ये पूछा है. तो यहाँ पर सिंपल इंटरेस्ट कितना हो जाएगा मुझे बताओ. 4% इंटू प्रिंसिपल इज हाउ मच? 7,200 माइनस एक्स मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1, नंबर ऑफ ईयर इज 1 अपॉन 100 इज इक्वल टू 5 इंटू एक्स इंटू 1 अपॉन 100. 100 and 100 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. ये स्टूडेंट्स.
Yes, sir.
Now if we equate this equation, what happens? 4 into 7,200. We don't need to multiply. Okay. Just pay attention.
Minus 4x.
Minus 4x is equal to 5x. So this goes over here. So what we get, 4 into 7,200 is equal to 9x. So if x is equal to 3,200.
4 into 7,200 upon 9.
See, if you want to dictate the answer, please send your voice note in the group, okay? Is this clear, everyone? We got x is equal to 3,200. समझ में आया सभी को?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here it is
Sir, can you
3,200
repeat? Sir,
and here it is 4,000.
Sir, can you repeat?
See, those who have doubts, I have already said many times, and again I am repeating. Very good. और किसी को जिनको भी डाउट है, at one time only raise your hand, and I am going to explain it one more time only. Yes, Gargi, what is your doubt?
Sir, I didn't understand the problem. Due to some internet issues, I
And
got that.
how do we pronounce your name? Agrawal? Or what is your first name?
Sir, my first name is Afrika. I joined from my mother's name.
Okay. आपका क्या डाउट है बोलो?
Sir, why did we not multiply 7,200 with 4 when we opened the bracket?
Because we don't want to increase our working part. Now pay attention. This amount is divided into two parts. We don't know whether equal or not. So here we'll write x, which is invested at 5% per annum simple interest, and the second part will be 7,200 minus x. Is this clear? Which is invested at 4% simple interest. यहाँ तक समझ में आया सभी को?
Yes,
They
sir.
have said the simple interest on both is same. Okay. So for this amount, what will be the simple interest? Simple interest is equal to 5 into principal into 1 upon 100. And for this, it will be 4 into 7,200 minus x into 1 upon 100. Is this clear, Gargi?
Yes, sir.
100 and 100 cancelled. So what we get? 5x is equal to. Now pay attention. Who had asked why didn't we multiply? यहाँ पर 4 into 7,200 है, write it as it is. And 4 into x कितना होता है? 4x. So minus 4x. This will go on the other side and become plus. Now we can see 5x plus 4x कितना होता है? 9x is equal to 4 into 7,200. समझ में आया? We know that 7,200 is multiple of 9. Yes or no?
Sir,
Yes,
why
sir.
did we take minus 4x?
You don't know equations of what, students? Why you are asking such silly questions? If we have x on one side, if we have x on other side, so we'll take it on the other side, yes or no?
No, sir, I understood that, but up you have written 7,200
देखो बाबा,
minus
please
x.
pay attention. ये जो bracket है, when we open a bracket, a multiplied by b minus c has to be a into b minus a into c. So that's why 4 into 7,200 is written over here. And then we get minus 4x. Here also we have x. So we take this all the x on one side. Do you know this?
Yes, sir.
Now is your doubt cleared?
Yes, sir. We didn't multiply it like 7 to.
Yeah, so that is not required. Why you want to multiply? There is no point in multiplying. Afterwards, we have to divide and find the value of x. So it is 4 into 7,200 divided by 9. And we know that this is multiple of 9. So is it required to
Yeah.
multiply this whole thing? Again, you multiply,
No.
then you divide. So there is no need. Please understand these things. Okay? That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
First, let me complete, then I'll clear your doubts. आप doubt बीच में पूछोगे तो क्या होगा? I cannot explain the whole part. Here we know that 7,200 is multiple of 9. So there's no need of multiplication. Because if you multiply this thing, what answer you get? 28,800. Now can you directly divide by 9? It is not possible to divide by 9, correct? So that's the reason we can cancel over here. 9 into 1, 9 into 8, and that we get 800. So what we get, x is equal to 3200. अभी यहां तक जो सॉल्व किया इसमें किसको डाउट है तो प्लीज टेल मी. रुशम, आपको कुछ डाउट था, बोलो.
No, sir, I had a doubt that why didn't we multiply 4 into 7,200, but then I understood.
See students, exam में what we need to do is we have to get to the answer in the easiest and the fastest way. You don't have so much time कि आप पूरा मल्टीप्लाई करो. पहली बात तो आपको ये मल्टीप्लाई करने में टाइम जाएगा. Yes or no? Correct. Then again divide करना है, उसमें और टाइम जाएगा. So instead of wasting your time 2 times, just see ना that 9x आ रहा है आपको. देखो यहाँ पर ही मल्टीप्लाई करते हुए आपको दिख जाएगा, यहाँ पर 5x आएगा और यहाँ -4x आएगा, because here x is with minus sign. So -4x, you know that eventually it is going to go on the other side as plus. नहीं आता है समझ तो यहाँ पर ही देख लो आप. समझ में आया अभी? रुशम, is it clear?
Sir, but my doubt was not that, but why didn't we multiply 4 when we opened the bracket?
We multiplied ना 4 into 7,200 and 4 into -x. मल्टीप्लाई तो किया है ना, सिर्फ मैंने इसको वैल्यू नहीं लिखा है. मुझे बताओ 2 into 3 को अगर 6 लिखूं या 2 into 3 लिखूं, आंसर तो सेम ही आएगा ना.
Yes, sir.
तो फिर टेल मी, इज इट रिक्वायर्ड टू मल्टीप्लाई?
No, sir.
So then, Kanan, what is your doubt?
Sir, I don't have a doubt, but I have an easier way to solve this.
See, listen. First thing I haven't completed the question yet, okay? So please wait.
Okay, sir.
Students, has everyone understood how we got 3,200?
Yes, sir.
sir.
So that means the amount invested at 5% is 3,200 and amount invested over here is 4,000. Now what they have asked us in the question is, please be on mute. What is the total interest received at the end, okay, of both the investment? So we know that interest is going to be same. So 5 into 3,200 upon 100 हो जाएगा. तो 2 zeros cancel. 32 into 5, 160. Okay. तो second investment पे भी हमें 160 मिलेगा, because they have given it is already same. So total interest कितना आया? Total interest कितना हो गया? अगर नहीं समझ में आया तो 4 into 4,000 upon 100 करो और फिर फाइंड आउट करो इंटरेस्ट कितना आएगा. इसका भी 160 आया और फर्स्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट का भी 160. टोटल इंटरेस्ट 320. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Yes, Kanan, tell me what is your doubt?
So, the method I was talking about was that we have to split 7,200 into two parts. One which we multiply with 4% and another which we multiply by 5% to get equal. So that means I have basically just used the ratios and figured it out that with I've added both of them, which is 9%, and then divided 7,200 by 9, and then the numbers I got, I used them to find out the answer.
But what you used, I didn't understand. 7,200 divided by 9 is 800. Then
So, sir, 800, we will multiply 800 by 4, we will get 3,200, and multiply 800 by 5, we'll get 4,000. So we used both of those and when we multiply both of them with the percentage, we will get the answer 160.
देखो हमने यहाँ पर भी वही किया है with more detailed explanation. आपका भी आंसर सही है that you divided directly by 9. Here also we divided it by 9 only. Okay. See, end में what we did, I divided it by 9 only. Correct? And directly got
Yes,
the
sir.
investment. So yes, even your method can be used. I hope others have understood this method, what we have done.
Yes, sir.
Question number 7 is of volume. A rectangular tank means what? A cuboid, correct? So the
Yes,
length, breadth and height of cuboid is given. Okay. So there is some oil in this cuboid. Now we have to transfer this oil to smaller cubes. Okay. Yes, students, consider this as a smaller cube. Now the side of this cube is how much? 3 centimeter each. And what is the sides of these? Length is 10, breadth is 8, and
8,
height is 4. Now, volume occupied by both of these is different. So we need to find out how many such cubes are required. So multiply by number of cubes, correct? So now what is the volume of oil in this? 10 into 8 into 4? 320.
320,
इसका volume कितना है?
27.
Okay. This is 27. So 27 into n is equal to 320. Correct? Now we know that this is not completely divisible. Okay, so what we do, 320 upon 27 लिखो. अभी आप इसको reduce करो तो क्या आता है आंसर? You get around, when you, or you divide this directly, you will get the answer around 12. Approximately it will be 12. Okay, अभी चेक करते हैं कैसे 12 आ रहा है. 320 divided by 27. So 27 into 1 minus 27 करेंगे 50. Again 27 into 1 minus 27 करेंगे 23. So see, if we take 11, so then so much part will be remaining. Yes or no? So to fill this part, we'll require one more cube. So eventually we required how many cubes? 12 cubes. Understood? Understood, students?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
See, if you take 11, so this much part will be left out. So put this part in this. तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? We'll have to take one more extra cube. So 11 plus 1, 12. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, next question. The ratio of the number
Sir?
of... हाँ बोलो.
Sorry, sir, I thought I was unable to hear you, but now I just stopped.
Okay, just give me a minute. Yeah, the next question is the ratio of number of long books to the number of notebooks in the shop was 7 into 4. 7 is to 4. Long is to normal notebooks. Okay. 7 is to 4. When 81 long books were sold, okay, 81 is sold. These are long books. The ratio of the number of notebooks to the number of long books become 10 is to 13. So notebook is to long books is equal to 10 is to 13. How many long books and notebooks were there together at the beginning? So मतलब ये हमारा पहला ratio है 7x is to 4x. So now we did 7x minus 4 minus 81 upon 4x is equal to 13 by 10. Yes or no? Yes or no, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बस अभी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो तो 13 into 4 कितना होता है?
52.
52x
50.
is equal to 70x minus 810. अभी minus 810 यहाँ पर आ जाएगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा. 52 goes on the other side as minus. So we get 810 is equal to 18x.
80.
So x is equal to 810 upon 18. 9 into 2, 9 into 90. 2 into 1, 2 into 45. तो x का वैल्यू कितना है? 45 है. We need to find out total books at the beginning. Total books कितना होगा? इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो मिलेगा 11x. So which is equal to 11 into 45, which is equal to 495 books. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This was question number 8.
Sir,
Yeah.
when is the class going to end?
More 10 minutes, I think. A
Okay,
minus 5 is equal to 12. B plus 4 inside this is equal to 10. We have to find out the value of B minus A, where they have given as A is smaller than 0, B is also smaller than 0. So A minus 5 is equal to 12. What can be the value of A?
So 17.
No, if we take A is equal to 17, then our answer becomes wrong. A has to be smaller
No,
than
ma'am.
0.
No,
A is equal to
minus 7, minus 7.
minus 7 minus 5 will give you minus 12, and inside this it will become positive. So this. अभी B plus 4 is equal to this. So B का value कितना हो गया? Minus 14. B is equal to minus 14.
Sir, A will be minus 17, right?
Minus
अरे
17
भाई।
minus 5 कितना होता है स्टूडेंट्स? Minus 22 होगा, और हमारे पास क्या है? 12 है यहाँ पर. So A is equal to minus 7, B is minus 14. We need to find out B minus A. So it is equal to minus 14 minus of minus 7. तो कितना हो जाएगा? Minus 14 plus 7
Oh, got it.
minus 7.
Minus
Sir, it
7.
was
sir.
my mistake.
Minus 21.
What?
Sir, it was my mistake. I'm sorry.
नहीं, but plus 21 कैसे आया आपको? Who said plus 21? Is
Sir,
this
he said
question
minus 21.
minus 21 कैसे आएगा स्टूडेंट्स? When we are subtracting minus 14, minus of minus 7. सीखा है इंटीजर्स आपने पहले. माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, तो minus 14 plus 7 हो जाएगा. ये minus 21 कैसे आएगा अभी? Is it clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
हाँ दिव्यान बोलो, what is your doubt?
Sir, I don't understand how you got B as minus 14.
B is smaller than 0, मतलब नेगेटिव नंबर है. नेगेटिव नंबर में पॉजिटिव नंबर ऐड करके हमें 10 मिल रहा है, तो क्या हो जाएगा वो नेगेटिव नंबर? Your voice is too low, I can't hear you.
Hello, sir.
हाँ बोलो बोलो.
So when it's minus 14 plus 4, you get minus 10. So you put it in.
आपका वॉइस बहुत ब्रेक हो रहा है. फर्स्ट थिंग आइदर यू चेक योर माइक और योर हेडफोन्स माइक. देखो स्टूडेंट्स, इट इज वेरी बेसिक थिंग. इसके अंदर जब भी हम माइनस नंबर लिखते हैं तो इसका वैल्यू पॉजिटिव आता है. ओके, तो दैट मीन्स अगर हम ये मॉड्यूलस हटा दे तो b plus 4 is equal to minus 10. Is this clear? अभी ये जो plus 4 है, it goes on the other side, so you get b is equal to minus 14. Is this clear? Rishik, Goel, what is your doubt?
Sir, I didn't understand the question. I mean, I didn't understand how you got A is equal to -7.
See students, either you are not paying attention or you have just luckily come to the mega final, okay? Because अभी ये क्वेश्चन 2 बार ऑलरेडी मैंने सॉल्व किया है. A -5 is equal to 12 inside the modulus. मॉड्यूलस का मतलब पता है आपको क्या होता है?
Yes, sir. Minus
हाँ.
eliminate हो जाता है.
हाँ, अगर हम मॉड्यूलस हटा दे, अभी उन्होंने बोला है a इज स्मॉलर देन 0, तो a का वैल्यू
हाँ
क्या
सर.
होगा? माइनस नंबर ही होना चाहिए या पॉजिटिव नंबर होगा
हाँ
ये?
सर. माइनस होएगा.
अभी
नेगेटिव.
यहाँ पर हमें क्या आंसर आना चाहिए? -12 आना चाहिए, तब जाके हमें +12 मिलेगा.
हाँ सर.
तो मतलब a -5 इज इक्वल टू -12.
यस सर.
तो a का वैल्यू क्या आएगा बताओ अभी?
तो वो -5 उधर चला जाएगा और A -7 आ जाएगा.
b + 4 इज इक्वल टू 10. अभी हमें चाहिए यहाँ पर -10, तब जाके ये +10 हो जाएगा.
10 बनेगा.
तो
हाँ.
b + 4 इज इक्वल टू -10. तो b का वैल्यू क्या है?
-14.
Is this clear now?
Yes sir.
Yeah, you can lower your hand. So a square is given ABCD. Inside this part is there. They have given pi को हमें use करना है 22/7. Side of the square is x, which is equal to 35 centimeters. We need to find out area of the shaded region. Question clear है? Is the question clear?
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what we do is area of shaded region क्या होगा? Area of square minus area of this part. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay. अभी हमें ये पार्ट का एरिया कैसे फाइंड आउट करना है? लेट्स कंसिडर इफ वी जॉइन दिस टू, इफ वी डिवाइड इट इनटू इक्वल पार्ट्स, तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? एक ऐसा पार्ट मिल गया. करेक्ट?
हाँ.
अभी ये क्या है? क्वार्टर सर्कल. अगर एक सर्कल को हम 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर ले तो वही मिलेगा. देखो अभी क्या कर रहा हूं मैं आपको. चलो ये डायग्राम जाने दो, हम इसको सर्कल कंसिडर करते हैं. तो ये एक पार्ट हो गया सर्कल का. मतलब ये देखो, अगर हम इसको ज्वाइन कर दे तो ये पार्ट हो गया ना, एक सर्कल का पार्ट हो गया. अगर इसको ये पूरा कंसिडर किया तो ए, डी और बी तक. ये बीच का लाइन आप मत कंसिडर करो, ठीक है? ये लाइन में हटा देता हूं. अभी समझ में आया? इफ आई ज्वाइन जस्ट दीज टू पार्ट्स, if we consider this as part of a circle, so if we consider the whole part A, D and B, A, D, B मतलब क्या? A से लेके D, then this curved part and B. तो इस ये is this is equal to quarter circle. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Has everyone understood this is equal to quarter circle and the other quarter circle is CBD? ये दो quarter circles है.
Yes, sir.
Okay. क्वार्टर सर्कल के लिए एरिया क्या हो जाएगा? पाई आर स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय 4.
Yes sir.
ओके. अभी रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल इज हाउ मच? 35.
Yes, sir.
Yes
देखो
sir.
इसको हम अगर पूरा ऐसे सर्कल बना दे, अभी समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ दिव्यान बोलो, क्या डाउट है?
Sir, I didn't understand why you took ADB as a quarter circle.
So what should we take? Tell me.
So it should be a half circle, no?
हाँ, हाफ सर्कल. अगर आप एक सर्कल को हाफ में डिवाइड करते हो तो कितना सेमी सर्कल मिलता है ना. ये सेमी सर्कल कहाँ पर है? अगर आप इसको 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करोगे तो ये डायग्राम दिखेगा ना, ADB ADB.
अच्छा.
समझ में आया क्वार्टर सर्कल क्यों लिया है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now area of this quarter circle is pi r square by 4. Okay. अभी मुझे बताओ रेडियस 35 होगा बिकॉज दिस इज द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल, क्योंकि यहां से एक सर्कल बन रहा है ना ऐसा. यस और नो? तो रेडियस
Yes, sir.
35 है.
Yes, sir.
तो दोनों क्वार्टर सर्कल सेम है तो दोनों का
Yes,
एरिया
sir.
मिला के
Yes, sir.
कितना हो जाएगा? 2 इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर बाय 4. यस और नो? ये
Yes.
दोनों का एरिया ऐड करेंगे तो हम अभी हम
हाँ.
वैल्यूज डालते हैं. 2 इंटू 22/7 इंटू 35 इंटू 35 अपॉन 4. सो ये 2 और ये 2 कैंसिल हो गया. 2 टाइम्स 2 इंटू 1 2 इंटू 11 7 इंटू 5. So we are left with 55 into 35 as the area of both the quarter circles. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is what area of 2 quarter circles. Now can we see over here that these 2 quarter circles ये कैसे बनाए? Area of the square plus area of this part. So this is equal to area of square. Okay. Plus let's say this area is equal to y. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया? अभी ये y
sir.
तो हम पहले
Yes, sir.
फाइंड आउट करेंगे. ठीक है. तो हाउ डू वी फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ y? 55 इंटू 35 इज इक्वल टू 35 इंटू 35 प्लस y. सो ये प्लस हो रहा है इसके साथ तो ये वहां जाके माइनस हो जाएगा. तो व्हाट वी गेट 55 इंटू 35 माइनस 35 इंटू 35. यस और नो स्टूडेंट्स? अब
Yes, sir.
35 कॉमन है ना दोनों जगह. यहाँ पर भी 35 है, यहाँ पर भी 35 है, तो वी टेक 35 आउटसाइड इंटू 55 माइनस 35. यस और नो स्टूडेंट्स? कॉमन ले लिया हमने 35 बाहर, तो ये क्या हो गया 35 इंटू 20. तो y का वैल्यू कितना हो गया 700. समझ में आया?
700.
समझ में आया स्टूडेंट्स दैट दिस एरिया इज इक्वल टू 700.
Yes, sir.
अभी हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन. एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन क्या है? एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर 35 स्क्वायर माइनस एरिया ऑफ दैट मिडिल पार्ट विच इज 700. सो 35 स्क्वायर कितना होता है? 1225 माइनस 700 कितना हो गया?
525.
अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. I have a doubt.
Who has this doubt? किसको डाउट है? यस
Sir,
निरंजन.
Niranjan.
हाँ बोलो.
So after you make the equation 55 into 35 is equal to area of square plus y. I have not understand after that.
Okay. If I ask you 5 into 10 is equal to 5 into 5 plus y, तो क्या करोगे आप? ये हो जाएगा 50. दिस इज इक्वल टू 25 प्लस y. सो y इज इक्वल टू 25. करेक्ट? ये समझ में आया
Yes, sir.
इक्वेशन?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ numbers were smaller so we can multiply and find the answer. इसका प्रोडक्ट बहुत बड़ा आएगा. Now here only I'll explain you. अभी ये एक नंबर हो जाएगा, तो this plus this is giving you this. So how will find y? Y is equal to 5 into 10 minus 5 into 5. Is this
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
we are multiplying both the numbers by 5. So if I take 5 common outside and write 5 into 10, we get this part minus sign 5 into 5. तो ये 5 एक बाहर है तो 5 आ जाएगा आंसर. तो क्या हो जाएगा?
Yes, sir.
5 into 5 25.
25.
तो same way we did over here. 35 is common, so we took 35 outside. Now 35 into 55 मतलब ये product minus sign 35 into 35 is equal to this product.
Yes,
Understood?
sir. Yes, sir.
Devyan, what is your doubt?
Sir, I had the same doubt.
Understood? Yes, Prayan, tell me what is your doubt?
Sir, in the previous page, you had showed, I didn't get how we got 55 into 35.
Okay. Area of quarter circle पता चला? There are 2 quarter circles, so into 2 हो जाएगा.
Yes,
हाँ, यहाँ तक समझ में आया है?
yes.
अभी 2 multiplied by what is the value of pi? 22 by 7. What is the radius? 35. So 35 square upon 4. 7 into 1, 7 into 5. 2 into 22 कितना होता है? 44.
44.
Who is this? Please tell me who did this. किसने किया ये? Tell me, otherwise I'll not continue with the class. Please tell me who did this. किसने ये आवाज किया? If others know, please tell me his name. I'll remove it from the class. किसने आवाज किया बताओ मुझे. If you want to continue the class, tell me who made this sound. Okay, please go out of the class. Directly leave the class. जिसने भी आवाज किया है. Okay, who is this? ये पिंकी नाम किसका है डिवाइस पे?
सर मेरा.
हाँ, ये आवाज आपने किया है? Please leave the class. I know you have done this.
सर only said 44.
हाँ
सर only said 44.
हाँ, वही 44 का आवाज आपने ही किया ना. Please leave the class. Otherwise, I'll have to remove you from the class. Either you leave the class or I'll remove you from the class. Tell me. Should I remove you? Okay, very good. If he joins again, tell me, okay, students? So here we had this part. तो अभी ये क्या हो गया? You have understood 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 1, 2 into 11. So we have 11, 5 and 35. So we got 55 into 35. Is this clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Prayan, is this doubt clear? Lower your hand. Arnav, what is your doubt?
Yes, sir, I didn't understand how, like, 55 into 35 equals to area of square plus y. How? I didn't understand.
अभी देखो हमने 2 क्वार्टर सर्कल लिया, करेक्ट?
हाँ.
तो मतलब ये एरिया ऐड हुआ है उसमें. एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर प्लस
Yes.
दिस पार्ट इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ दैट क्वार्टर सर्कल.
Yeah.
तो इसीलिए ये इक्वेशन बन गया.
Oh, okay, sir.
स्नेजा या क्या नाम था, आपको भी कुछ डाउट था तो प्लीज टेल मी.
Yes, sir. I had a doubt that 2 into 22 upon 7 into 35 into 35 upon 4 is the area of 2 quarters of circle, right?
यस.
Then 55 into 35 how can that be area of a square and that y?
नहीं, दिस इज ये पूरा एरिया ऑफ दीज 2 क्वार्टर सर्कल्स है ना. तो क्वार्टर सर्कल में क्या हो गया? एरिया ऑफ दिस स्क्वायर प्लस एरिया ऑफ दिस पार्ट इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ द क्वार्टर सर्कल्स, 2 क्वार्टर सर्कल्स. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
तो इसीलिए ये इक्वल हो गया. If you want, I'll send a
Okay.
written solution for this in the group, okay?
Okay, sir.
Is it clear, everyone?
Oh, yes, sir.
Next class से, see, today I removed him just for 2-3 minutes, okay? अगर start में ऐसा किसने किया I'll remove him from the whole class. पूरा lecture बैठ नहीं पाओगे आप.